Hello students, good morning. Once again welcome to my YouTube class. Now the remaining questions from your NCERT textbook. Today we are going to start this. And the previous class already we have taught the area of sector and the length of the arc. Today some important things what I did here, that the area of the minor segment and major segment. And remember one thing, the segment area depends upon the area of the sector and area of the triangle. The corresponding arc and corresponding chord which divides the sector into two segments, that is major segment and minor segment, that is very essential. And I hope you will learn something from this video, and in the next class we will go through the remaining questions from your textbook and as well as from your R.D. Sharma sample paper. Hello students, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel, the Mathematics from NCERT 10th class. Today, the second part of the area related to circle we are going to start. Here is some interesting exercise textbook questions from 12.2 chapter. Already in the last class, we have completed some sort of basic concepts of the area related to circles. So now let's see some questions from your textbook. Okay students, here you see when a question is a car has two wipers. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. So here is the question that you have to calculate. A car has two wipers which do not overlap, and each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter and the angle is 115 degree, and we have to calculate the total area that sweep by the blades. So here clearly what given, each sweep or each wiper sweeps a sector of a circle of radius 25 centimeter and sector angle 115 degree. Simple. That means the total area cleaned of each sweep is given by, we can calculate total area means the area of sector. You know, suppose this wiper is this one, and if it cover 115 degree and the radius is what? 25 centimeter means the total area it covered, that means area of the sector we can apply here. A equal to, as it is two wipers, so 2 times theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Because we know students, two wipers and this is the area of a sector. Now it is 2 into angle of the sector is 115 degree divided by 316 degree into 22 by 7 into radius of an square. Okay students, so by cancelling we can get, here you can do like this, cancel 2 here, we will get 180, and by cancel here 5 2 10, 5 3 and 5 3 15, 6 36, and here 2 11 and 2 18, and that it is 23 into 11 into 625 square divided by 18 into 7. After that, as I have applied here calculator, that you can do by decimal significant into 2 digit, we will get 1254.96 square centimeter. Now this is the area by the blades or sweeping area, cleaning area. So here is the one question students that I have solved from your textbook, chapter 12.2, Next, we will go to the next question. That is, another question is there. Next question. To warm ships, the question is what? To warm ships for underwater rocks, a lighthouse throws a red colored light over a sector of 80-degree angle to a distance of 16.5 kilometer. Find the area of the sea. Find the area of the sea over which the ship's area warmed. Now to calculate here, you have to take pi equal to 3.14. So here you see students, we have r equal to 16.5 kilometer and theta equal to 80 degree. That means area of the sea over which the ships are warmed, that is equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r square, and which is equal to 80 by 360 into 3.14 into 16.5 of square. Clear? After that, after simplification like this, you will get the value, it is 189.97 square kilometer. Now this is the area of the sea over which the ships are warmed. Using the sector formula, you can solve the such type of different questions. Now let us go to the another question here. An umbrella has 8 ribs. An umbrella has 8 ribs, which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 centimeter. Find the area between the two concentric and consecutive ribs of the umbrella. So see students, since ribs are equally spaced, therefore angle made by two consecutive ribs at the center equal to 360 degree divided by 8, which is equal to 45 degree. Clear? And that we can say this is equal to theta equal to 45 degree. Area between two consecutive ribs. Area between two consecutive ribs, which is equal to area of a sector of a circle of radius 45 centimeter. Because of you see students, when the umbrella is open, no, the structure will be like this, you know. This is the open structure. The consecutive ribs means this. Now when it is, just assuming it is a flat circle, no, and this is theta, now it became a sector. What you are going to calculate? Now here the formula is what? Area between two consecutive ribs, the same area of the sector, which is equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r square, and it is 45 by 360 degree into 22 by 7 into 45 into 45. Clear? Because 45 centimeter is the radius. Here also r equal to 45 centimeter radius. Here written, no, radius equal to 45 centimeter. Now by calculating and simplifying, we will get the value. It is 795.53 square centimeter. How it is? You will get here by cancelling and by calculating, simplified to up to 2 decimal significant. The value is 795.53 square centimeter. Now we will go to the next question, that is another one. Question number 4. A brooch is made
with silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 millimeter. The wire also used in making pipe diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors. Here is the one figure given in your NCERT book, that just you see here what you have to do here. You know that so here a silver wire is wrapped around the circle here. Now it have 5 diameters, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, and I can say suppose it is 5 diameters, and all the diameters having length is what? 35 millimeter, D equal to 35 millimeter, and we can say it is R equal to 35 by 2 millimeter. Now here we have to calculate the total wire used in making 5 diameters and around the circle, which have the 10 divisions, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 divisions, So, so first of all, students, the length of the wire, silver wire, what here written, wire needed equal to circumference of the circle plus length of the 5 diameters, because the silver wire required around the circle and with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 diameters are there. This length of the 5 diameters and circumference. So now you can calculate it is 2 pi r plus 5 into 35. Okay. Now 2 pi it is 22 by 7 into radius is 35 by 2 plus 5 into 35. Clear? So it is equal to, when you calculate here, 7, 5, 2, 2, 22, 5, it is 110 plus it is 285 millimeter. This is the length of the silver wire required. Similarly, if you have to calculate the area of each sector, that means one sector, this each sector means, first of all we have to calculate, the simple method is what? The simple method, entire area of the circle divided by 10, or if you want to calculate, find the angle, then calculate theta, that is 10 means 36 degree, theta you will get 36 degree, then 36 divided by 360 into what? Pi r square. The same thing you will get 1 by 10 into pi r square. Have you understood? Because of your 10 divisions, 10 sectors. 10 sectors, 10 sectors from a circle. So you will get 1 by 10 into pi 35 by 2 square, pi r square. At last, after simplifying, you will get it is pi is 22 by 7 and 385 by 4 square millimeter. Now this type of questions from your NCERT textbook, and that you have to solve like this using the length of the arc, circumference of the circle and area of the sector. So the another question we have to start from your NCERT book, that is, one question is here, you see, in a circle of radius 21 centimeter, in a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. At the center, find the length of the arc and area of the sector formed by the arc. Third bit is what area of the segment. Area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. Okay, so here is the student, you have to learn something what the last class we have taught you know what is sector and what is the segment. Before this, just I am doing one figure here. In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. At the center, find the length of the arc, you know. That is, you see, suppose it is OAB. That means here AXB arc and the radius is 21 centimeter and angle of the sector is 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree at the center, find the length of the arc and area of the sector and area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. Chord is what? AB is a chord. AB is a chord, and you have to calculate area of the segment. Segment means this section, student, corresponding segment. A chord divides the circle into two segments, a major segment and it is a minor segment. Corresponding segment from a chord means this minor segment AXB you have to calculate. So that we can prove like this: R equal to 21 centimeter, theta equal to 60 degree. The bit 1, length of the arc. How can you calculate here length of the arc? L equal to theta by 180 into pi r, because theta by 360 into 2 pi r and 2 cancelled by 360 it is 180, and L equal to theta is 60 divided by 180 into, here pi is 22 by 7 into r is 21. Clear? 63, 7, 3, 3, 3 cancel, it is 22 centimeter. Therefore, length of the arc is 22 centimeter. Okay, students. Now, we have to continue that. area of the sector formed by this arc. Bit 2, area of the sector formed by this arc, which is equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r square, and this is 60 by 360 into 22 by 7 into radius is 21. Isn't it? Already here you see, students, radius is 21, angle 60, that means pi r square theta by 360. 6, 7, 3, 3, 2, 2, 11. 231 square centimeter. Next, third bit is what, students? Area of the segment formed by this chord. Area of the segment formed by this chord. See, here I am doing again thing, that thing I am doing here. You see, suppose this is a sector of what we did in the previous page. This is the chord. Okay. Now you see, students, here you have to calculate this region area, the area of the segment. First of all, find the area of a OAXB sector and subtract this triangle. You will get the area of the segment. So you can write like this, equal to area of sector minus area of triangle OAB. Clear? Now OAB, you see, as it is 60 degree in the top angle and these two angles are equal, that means OAB, all angles are 60. Because one angle is 60, the remaining angle summation is 120 and they are equal, that means each angle is 60 degree. Therefore, you can write HOAB triangle is an what? Equilateral triangle. It is equilateral triangle. Therefore, area of equilateral triangle, area of equilateral triangle equal to root 3 by 4 into side square. So now you can put the value. It is root 3 by 4 into the side is 21 square over. Now it is, you can find 441 divided by 4 root 3 over, students. Now you can find here, you see, area of the segment, area of the segment. Already we have calculated, 231 is the area of the sector. 231 minus 441 by 4 root 3. Now you see, put the value of root 3 and do subtract from 231. This is your task to calculate the value to find the area of the minor segment. Okay, students. Next, another one. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major sector. Pi equal to 3.14. Very interesting question here, students. Just see. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter. This is the circle. This is the chord. And here given that this angle is 90 degree. Right angle. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment. Minor segment means this section. This section you have to calculate, the area of this section. And major sector means this section. So minor segment area, first you calculate area of sector OAXB. OAXB, and it is called as what? Minor sector. Minor sector. Here theta equal to 90 degree and radius equal to 10 centimeter, given that, so it is theta by 360 degree into pi r square. So theta is 90 by 360 into 3.14 into 10 square. 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 100. .5 square centimeter. Now this is the area of the sector. Area of triangle OAB, as it is right angle triangle, so you can find it is half base into height, 50 square centimeter. Base is 10, height is 10, no? So 10 into 10, 100 by 2, 50 square centimeter. First bit, area of minor segment equal to area of sector minus area of triangle, and it is 78.5 minus 50. It is 28.5 square centimeter. Next to major sector. How can you calculate the area of the major sector? Area of the major sector. You see, theta is the reflex of 90 degree, and that is equal to 270 degree, because major sector means this section. This section is the major sector section, and you can calculate theta by 360 into pi r square. Into 3.14 into 100. Okay students, so you can calculate 3 by 4 into 314. 3 into 157 divided by 2. It is your task to calculate the area of the what? Major sector, Now I hope you just understood something from today's online video class. I hope you entertain from this some sort of papers what I have written, and in the next class we will go through the another questions from the remaining chapters from your textbook. So thank you and stay